Hello and welcome to my channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create a table of contents, how to update an existing table of contents, how to add a cover page to your project or assignment, and how to add page number to your project or assignment. So I have this draft document which has few sections like introduction, and then some other subsections, some diagrams and tables, some paragraphs. And if you scroll down, there's a conclusion section here, and then there's a list of references. So that's normally an assignment or project look like. Um, it could be at any length depending on what you are submitting, at what level. So at this stage, it has only 6 pages. But any document which has more than 5 pages, I would recommend to have a table of contents. So to create a table of contents, um, first thing I'm going to do is there's a text and there are some headings here. That heading and everything is just like a normal text. So first I have to declare them as headings. So I will select my text and then I will go to my home page, which is like a normal text size 16. The heading could be size 15, 16, 18, or up to 20. The normal text should be between 10 to 12 size. So I selected my headings and I will choose just heading 1. You can choose any one of these styles. As you can see, a lot of stuff here. I'll just go for heading 1. So all these section headings that I have, I'll just select them and I will make them headings. If you don't, they will not appear in your table of contents. So you have to make every section heading, declare this as a heading. To create this document, I got some help from Lorem Ipsum, all this text that I copied. And there's another website, Scribr. I got some help from that website as well. Right, so I'll select all these section headings, including conclusion. I want that to appear in my TOC as well, including references. So I have this 6-page document and I scroll up to the top, and here I'm going to click and I should go to references. And if you don't see that tab, just right click here, go to customize the ribbon, and if you may see this is unticked. So if you tick it, it will appear on that menu bar as a one of the item. So I have selected that, and then I'm going to go to this section, table of contents, click on that. So I have some option here, automatic table 1, automatic table 2. It's a small difference of contents and table of contents and some other options I have down there to customize, and just go to pick any one of these two. So that's table of contents created. It has page 1, my introduction, because it appears here next to the TOC. I would like this to go to the next page. Table of contents should have its own page. It should not be mixed with introduction. Does not look nice. And if I scroll down now, all the way to the bottom of the document, I will see now that some of my contents, not some, all of my contents pages are moved here and there. They used to be on page 6, now they are on page number 7. Similarly, if you go to this one, creating my first project in MVC, that was page 4, but now it's page 5 because I moved all the contents to the second page. So this is not correct now. To update this, just click on this TOC, table of contents. Go to this tab. Because I haven't added any new section or removed or something, if I did, then I will choose this option to update the entire table. But at the moment, all I want to update the page numbers only. As you can see, you created a table of contents and the pages are updated with the new changes that I just made. Okay, so that's how we covered the first two objectives. that how to create a table of contents and how to update an existing one. The next thing I want you guys to learn here is sometimes it's good to have a page number here. Okay, so for that, you can just click on insert and you can add date, time, signatures, a lot of stuff, a lot of options here. So if you go here, you should find somewhere page numbers. Oh, here. Now you can choose on the top where you want this. One on the left, middle, right, or do you want to look like this? Look, there are plenty of options here. You can choose this one, the bottom option, or you can look at, can add it to the page margin here. It's your choice. I will choose this one, the top of the page, and I will choose this option right in the center. So as you can see now, my page numbers are here in the center of the page on the top. Okay, so I have the page numbers in each page, and I have a table of contents. Right, this document is looking better now. We added the headers, we added the table of contents, we updated the table of contents, but it should have a nice cover page. So if you are submitting your assignment or project, you should have a nice cover page as well. So for that, just I will click just above the table of contents, click on insert, and click on cover page. So there are a lot of options here to choose from. You can choose whatever the style that you like this one, or any of these available options. And look at this, more cover pages from office.com. And if you have one you want to remove it, you click on this. So if I scroll up, and let's say I choose this one. So that's if you want to add a date for your submission. So I already typed a project title, so installing and using MVC. And there's a subtitle here that is connecting database using ADO.NET. And you can write your company name, your company address, and your name. So this is a title page. When you create the first time, you would not have this. It will be just like the just title and subtitle, but you can add all these stuffs yourself. Okay, so that's the title page now, and then I have a table of contents, and I have nice, beautiful paragraphs for each section. I have a heading as well, and I have, you scroll down, all this document ready. There's one thing I did when I added the cover page now. So all the contents are moved to the next page. As you can see, the conclusion and references, they are now on page 8. They are no longer on page 7. So if you go up here, look at this. So you see that need to be updated again. So I will click on my table. I click on the update table, and I will update page numbers only. Okay. Now let's say I want to add another section here. I want to add another section here. Wait a minute, what I did. Oh, it's up here. Okay, what if I want to update by adding another content? Let's say I copied this section. Just to give an example, that what if I have to create another section down there? For example, just before my conclusion here, I will create another page. And that page, let's say I want to give it a new title. Let's say deploying a web application. That's my new section. So I added a new section here. Let me move these to the next page now, because I want conclusion and references to be separate from the rest of the project. So conclusion and references are here now. Okay, this is called page 8. It's because up there the cover page is not included in the page number. That's why it shows page 8, but this is actually page 9. So that's just because of that. The cover page is not included in the page numbers. So I added a new section here on page number 7, as you can see. So if I scroll up, right, and I go to my table of contents, I don't have that option. So if I click on this and I just update the page numbers only, right, the page numbers are updated, as you can see, from 7 they are changed to 8. Yeah. But do I see here the deployment option here? No, I don't. So for that, if I click on this button again, and this time I choose update the entire table. Now look, I have this option now, deploy web application. Right, so the good thing with this table of contents is very dynamic. You just click on the update and it's update the entire page numbers and all the contents. And another important thing is, let's say you want to go jump straight to this and you got like 30, 40 or 100 page document. You don't have to scroll all the way down. Just click on control and click that option and you will be in that specific section. Okay, so our document is ready for submission now. So I have a nice title page with my detail, with my project detail, my company detail, and updated table of contents which points to the correct section on each page. We added a page number as well, introduction, all these sections, and all the way down, if you scroll down, you have a conclusion and references section as well. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope it helps you to create a table of contents and add to your assignment or project.